you an interview. Um, I have a bit of a question before we begin the technical interview, if that's all right.
Yes, please.
Can you please tell me something about the web environment integrity proposal?
Web environment integrity proposal. I'm not familiar with that. Is that something that Google is working with?
Yes, I think you can find it on GitHub. I'll share a link if that's all right. Is there a chat? I
I'm
found
not
a
sure
chat.
that we have time to look into it right now.
It's important for me.
I'm sorry. I'm not familiar with it. I'm not sure that we can look at it right now.
Then I'm not sure I can continue this interview.
I mean, okay, I cannot force you to be here, but I'm sorry about it. I'm not.
This
I
is
definitely don't. If this is some sort of thing, some sort of project that Google worked with, I'm definitely not familiar with it. I'm sorry.
this is something that is important to the whole web, and is considering that I'm applying to work for Google, this is something that's very important for me as a candidate, especially noting that Google has been basically the company behind the success of the internet. Like, picture the internet before Google search engine was a thing, and then think of it afterwards.
I mean, you have to keep in mind that like this is a technical interview. Google is a very large company. We're way over 100,000 employees at this point. Not everybody's going to be familiar with everything that's going on here, unfortunately. And in this particular case, I don't know what is this GitHub project that you shared.
I
I'm
mean,
sorry if that's
I
a
mean, it's
reason a
yes,
deal breaker for you.
it's a rather short explanation of a very important topic.
Sorry?
It's a rather short explanation of a very important topic. I'm sure we
What
can. I'm
explanation?
sure. It's Google explaining their proposal basically, of implementing a new web API that
I
allows.
mean, again, we're here for a technical interview,
Yes,
so I have a question that I prepared, and I am interested in
this
learning how you think, how you solve problems.
this is a
This
technical
is a little bit
question.
of like
This is a
outside
technical
of the focus of this technical interview,
that
unfortunately. Sure, it might be a technical question, but that's not
I'm
what
alright. I'm alright
that's
with
not
that.
what we're here.
I'm alright with this being outside the scope of the interview. This is an important thing for me, and I don't. I'm not sure. I feel comfortable continuing this interview without knowing more about this topic. It's honestly a.
Um, I don't have anything to say about this topic. I don't know what it is.
I mean, you can read up on it now.
But why would that? What would that help anything? Like,
Because I'm I'm wanting to
like
discuss
Sinta,
this
I'm sorry,
topic.
but I'm not.
Look,
That's not.
this is
That's
this
not
is
what I'm here
this
for.
is the first
I,
time.
this
This
is
is
a,
the first time I've known about this topic. So like I found out about it in between first applying and this interview. So this is my first chance to ask someone about it. So I'm coming here to you
but this
asking
is
you
not a
about it.
chance to ask about it. Like you have to understand, this is a technical interview, right? I am here.
Okay.
I have very specific set of things
Okay.
that I
So
want to learn
okay.
about
So
you.
okay. So because this is a
This is
technical
not really the
interview.
idea that you come here to ask me a question
Okay.
about something that Google
So
does,
so so
fortunately,
so
right? This is
so.
not the opportunity for you to ask this question.
Why would I?
If you were interested in getting a job at Google, then you
I
would
was.
have to like
I
take this
was. Yes.
interview, right?
Yes, I was.
So you don't come here to ask a question to the
I was.
interviewer. It's
Why not?
the other way
Why not?
around.
Why not? This is as much.
I mean, you
This
can
is
actually. At the
no
end of the
no
interview,
no
we
no
do
no no
have a
no no
time.
no no. This is as much. This is as much. This interview is as much for you to find out whether you want me to work in a team in your organization as it is for me to want to find out what your organization is about.
Well, yes, that is true, but this is not the format that it happens in, unfortunately.
Um. So we're humans. We adapt.
No, unfortunately not. We don't. I'm
Oh,
sorry, Tita.
I'm sorry.
I mean,
Does
we're
Google?
already 8 minutes in at this point.
Okay,
If
so
you would like to proceed with the interview, I
does
think that we can still do that. If
the
you would like that, then
does Google have
we're we
Google have a
can do the
policy where
interview here.
people can't adapt to situations?
I'm sorry, Tita. I'm gonna have to finish the interview here. Okay,
That's
you're gonna hear back from
that
the recruiter.
that is very clear to me.
Take it from there.
That has been clear ever since I've asked the question.
Okay. I hope you have a good day. Bye bye.